budget, hindi nyo na binubusisi. Bakit ganon? How can we correct that? In other words, who is going to scrutinize the scrutinizer?
Tao po, I would suppose taong
But
bayan.
how can the taong bayan do that? They don't have access. Now, sinasabi nyo ngayon paano, saan pumapasok dito ang taong bayan para malaman, para magalit sila o magsabi sila, oy, sobra na yan. Paano nila malalaman lahat ito?
As I said a while ago, meron po kaming utos from the Saligang Batas na i-publish every year yung itemized expenses and payments made to members of Congress. And we do that.
Sa mga
dyaryo po. Dailies, the major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin. The major dailies, Inquirer, Business World yata, and Star. Pero parang wala namang pumapansin.
But let me also point out one thing. One thing I also noticed from some of your posts. You also mentioned, or you also pointed out, that even Congress has its own, well, not